My name is Henriette Daughty Oloo. I'm from Kenya, and in 2017 I was diagnosed with Osteosarcoma, and that was in Kenya. So we went looking for hospitals that could offer treatment, and at last we found Nairobi West Hospital, where the tumor was removed. And after the tumor was removed, I underwent chemotherapy, 6 sessions, and in about 6 months. Then later on, the doctor recommended that we seek further treatment for knee replacement surgery, since I was not able to walk by that time. So we went looking for hospitals, and we looked for doctors. And there was a doctor, Dr. Gikenya, he recommended that we come to BLK Hospital in Delhi. So that's why we traveled to India and came to BLK Hospital. When we came to BLK Hospital, we met Dr. Ishwar Bohra, who explained to us how the surgery will be done, and the expectations that we will expect after the surgery. He explained what will be done during the surgery, and he also told us the complications that may arise from the surgery. Then afterwards, the surgery was done on 27 January, after which we stayed in hospital for about 1 week. Then after staying in hospital, the nurses were very good. They treated us well, and we enjoyed the stay. Then we were discharged, and after about 2 weeks we started physiotherapy, and by now I'm happy to say that I can put full weight on my leg, and I can take slow steps with my leg. Yes. Thank you.
BLK Super Speciality Hospital, a passion for healing.